So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see that how can you create a pull request or a PR for your Python program. Okay, first you need to do some basic setup. For that, there must be a you can say GitHub repository which you have to create for which you have to create a PR. So let's move in our GitHub firstly and pick a repository. GitHub, and then we have to pick a repository. Let's say I will pick up this repository. This is for example just. Now what you have to do is, firstly you need to have Git installed in your computer. Git. Git is a version control system which will allow you to, you can say, create a PR or push changes to it. Okay. Then what you have to do is click on this code button and copy this link. Then what you have to do is just minimize this and open your file explorer. Just a second. Okay, so I have selected my folder which I want to, you can say, pick for creating a PR. Then just click on this, you can say, this path here, and then type cmd here. What will this do is, this will open your command prompt in the current directory. Okay, then what you have to type is git clone and then paste your link here. This will start cloning your GitHub repository. Okay, so now GitHub repository is cloned. Let's move in this particular folder. Just a second. Okay, so this was our GitHub repository. Now let's move here in your command prompt to cd, paste this path here. Okay, so now we are in our this particular folder or GitHub repository. Now what you have to do is, let's try making some changes here. I will create a new folder here and name it as testing PR, testing hyphen PR. I will create a text file in this, new text document, trial, okay, .txt. Okay, so we have made some changes here. Now we will push these changes in a new branch. Firstly, we need to create that branch. Okay, so let's move in our command prompt and type this particular command: git checkout -b, and then you can say I will name this as new branch. You have to name that branch. Okay, so we are switched to new branch. Now here we have to make changes. Git add and then dot. What this will do is, this will add all the changes which you have done in your folder and commit that to new branch. Okay, git commit -m in double quotations your commit message. Uh, we will name it as testing commit. So we have committed to the branch. A new text file is added. You can see here, one file change, 0 insertions, 0 deletions. Okay. Then what you have to do is, you have to push these changes. Git push origin, and then on which branch you need to push this. I will push in this branch, branch. So our work is done almost. Now what we have to do is move in our GitHub, new branch, recent pushes. Okay, you can see that new branch had recent pushes 2 seconds ago. Compare and pull. You have to click on this particular link, or you can just go here and create new pull request and compare your base branch with your new branch. You can see showing one changed file. Okay, now what you have to do is create pull request. I will be typing the description as testing commit. Create pull request. Now this will check for, you can say, merge automatically. Now you have to merge pull request. So this will be, you can say, merge to your main repository or your main branch of your repository, and then confirm merge. Here you can see this pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay, now you can check this via clicking here. So this is your main branch. Here you can see another branch which we have created just now. This was your main branch, and we can find our Ira. Yep, we can find this particular folder which we have created just now. This was your text file which we have created. Okay guys, so this was you can see creating and merging a pull request for your Python programs. You can do this for your entire Python programs. So yes guys, that's all for this video. Hope you have learned something. Now let's see you next time.